My name is Brad Grimes. I am a civil engineering graduate from the class of 2010, and I am here working with Tarleton Corporation as the general contractor for the Lafferre Hall renovations. I've been with Tarleton for a little over 5 years, and we were notified that we were successful late in 2014. An email was sent out to the company for anybody that would be interested in working on this project, and I saw a very good opportunity. Working on the construction of my alma mater was something that I found would be very exciting. I have worked on what was called our power and energy team. So I worked on in power plants, in substations, on transmission lines, worked doing some fly ash reclamation with a large concrete pit, steel structure, radial stacker, a lot of civil construction, drilled piers, steel trusses for conveyors. Well, one of the great things about working in the construction industry is that it's ever changing. Some of the regular activities would be reviewing invoices, tracking cash flows, updating the schedule, making sure everything's on track. Every once in a while you get those curveballs. It is construction. Things seldom go to plan. I'd like to think that they typically go to plan, but every once in a while things change. So it's reviewing field activities, inspections, quality control, making sure things are built to plan, working with the other facets of the project, other subcontractors, other guys working on the project for Tarleton to problem solve. Monotony is not really a word that can be used for the type of work that we do. My dad is actually a civil engineer, professional engineer here in the state of Missouri. So from a very young age I was around engineering. He is a civil design, working with storm sewers, hydrology, site design, development. So I was always around plans and drawings, and was able to work with him putting together drawings a little bit on the design side. What made me decide to choose MU was the ability to have a little bit more of a well-rounded experience. I always knew that I wanted to be an engineer. Ever since you go back to second, third grade, they always asked you what you wanted to do whenever you grew up. And I always wrote down that I wanted to be a PE, wanted to be a professional engineer. So I proceeded down that route and was actually here recently able to achieve that goal and have become a registered professional engineer here in the state of Missouri. Some of the courses that helped me prepare for the job that I'm in, like I said, was I've had a lot of heavy civil. So I had Dr. Rosenblad in geotechnical engineering, just reviewing soil borings, understanding the different methods of taking borings. Some of the heavy civil experience that I have is drilling piers and evaluating the soil borings to see what type of drilling methods would be necessary. So that class really stands out. Other classes would be steel design with Dr. Washer. I took his class, both steel 1 and 2, and working in power plants, erecting conveyors, steel trusses, the connections, the design, just being familiar with the world of steel really helps out. As well as the concrete design that I took with Dr. Orton. A lot of what we do is concrete, and having the ability, the knowledge that was received in both her class and Dr. Washer's class was really helped out in the estimating aspect of things, being able to plan, to see, and evaluate what type of work and durations would occur on different projects. The best advice that I can give would be learn as much as you can, gain internships, work experience, real world work experience is bar none an excellent thing to do, so it can help you in your future life.